My breakfast was straight out the medicine cabinet, a remedy for the math of my habits. Sometimes it's the ones. My breakfast was straight out the medicine cabinet, a remedy for the aftermath of my habits. Sometimes it's the ones who try to help that hurt the most. I feel like we're playing tug of war and I'm the rope and I'm stretched to the limit, but you keep on pulling in. I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. But I'm sorry, I just like myself more than I like you. So call me antisocial, call it masturbation. Either way, it's a solo operation. I'm just far more comfortable alone. Tired of you talking my ear off about all your problems I just can't fix.
Don't appreciate someone take company.
Constant chatter reminds me why I'd rather you leave me be. So call me antisocial, call it masturbation. Either way, it's a solo operation. I'm just far more comfortable alone. Cause people are ugly and people are hateful, destructive and greedy. We're proud and ungrateful. The world would be so much better off without us. Swallow a polar and full of pills. Combos and training, this great left to fill. Distract ourselves to make us feel like we're not just mistakes. Distract ourselves to make us feel like we're not just mistakes. Seems that everybody always has a bone to pick, a promise to break. Never again will I make the mistake of trusting anyone.
Trusting anyone.
Trusting anyone. This is my misanthropic confession. Human beings are a waste of breath, and don't think I exclude myself. I'm an asshole just like you. Cause people are ugly and people are hateful, destructive and greedy. We're proud and ungrateful. The world would be so much better off without us. Let's swallow a blower and full of pills. We're all combos and training, there's grades left to fill. Distract ourselves to make us feel like we're not just mistakes.
Distract ourselves to make us feel like we're not just
My
mistakes.
breakfast is straight out the medicine cabinet.
Hey, can you hear me now? Yeah, you can hear me now. Sorry about that. I forgot I unplugged my mic, and VoiceMod doesn't like it when you unplug your mic. Also,
Where's the money, Lebowski? You want that money, Lebowski? Bunny says you're good for it. Where's the fucking money, shithead?
it's okay. It was a better time. You know, I can just turn my mic off. Like, that's fine. I don't I don't need to be here. Let me pull up stream music. That was aggressive. Okay. Yes, let me switch into the main scene here. And make sure everything is set up correctly. Cool. Cool. Alright, so I don't remember what happened last time. Don't screw up, writers watching. Oh no. I don't remember what happened last time. I remember something didn't work correctly. My Walmart order is ready for pickup, guys. It's definitely... Leave me alone, Walmart! Leave me alone! Oh, it's not Walmart. Still, leave me alone. I don't want y'all seeing. What happened last time? Something didn't work and you left. Yes, that's what I was getting at. Something didn't work and I left because I got frustrated. So, as I always do, I just quit when I get frustrated. So I gotta figure out what went wrong so that I can fix it. So I tried to... So saving was fine. I think I already have something loaded or saved. So let me just try to load now. Okay. So it looks like it was good. Modifier addition, it didn't like. Object not set to an instance of an object. Casper the Walking Ghost looks like the little guy from Forager. You're talking about the guy that's walking around up there. I don't know what Forager is though, so I'm sorry, I don't get the joke. So, oh, did it not load my attributes back in correctly? Is that part of it? You fucking better. I don't, I'm sorry. Threatening me isn't gonna change anything. It wasn't a threat, it was a promise. It sounds like a threat to me, but E. So I'm setting player.attributes equal to temp.attributes. So why is temp.attributes not correct? What is data.attributes getting saved as? First off, I don't know, and I don't remember where that file's at because why would I? Debug.log. Okay. So we can load the game. It puts us in the position. Our inventory is loaded weird, if not at all. If at all, I should say. So I gotta figure that what's going on there. There, I want this. Well, I'm glad that that didn't just open the file for me. Thanks. I wanted to actually open the file. Where is my... okay. Can I, like, format this in any way? So I have my attributes. I have the main modifiers of the attribute. Most JSON libraries have a JSONify style function. Yeah, I just want something quickly. Like, I just want something... I don't want a whole ass library. Like, I just thought IntelliSense had something built in that I could just right-click all this and format it. But I might not have that installed. I had to reinstall Visual Studio on this computer, so... No, Visual Studio doesn't do anything quickly. That's fair. You're right. I should have expected less from Visual Studio, not more. Okay, so here's our attributes section. And then we have the strength, dex, con, intelligence, wisdom, charisma. Then we have our main modifiers with all their modifier values. And then we have equipment modifiers with all their modifier values. What I'm getting at is it should be loading fine. And then the buff modifiers right there. Yeah. So if I go back into this. Oh, come on. Give me the... God damn it. Give me the option to just create a constructor. Please. Do not make this more difficult than it needs to be. God damn it. Alright, you're gonna make this more difficult than it needs to be. Once again, I expected more from Visual Studio, when I should have expected less. I realize that these are the same constructors. Well, these are the same constructors. Don't be stupid, stupid. But I think for JSON.NET to recognize and use this, the parameters would have to be the same as whatever the variable name is. So I'm doing that real quick. That way I can, because I think that might be why the modifiers aren't getting initialized. And then this dot. This dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. Okay. And then I can say JSON constructor. And let's see if that works. Well, it gave me something different. Unexpected end of... Oh, yeah, because I fucked up that file. Okay. So let's see. Debug.log. Left. And debug.log right. Unity engine.debug. There we go. So I gotta see which one is coming up null. So right is coming up null when it gets loaded. Right, is that... yeah. Oh, which one is that for? Which modifier? I mean, I guess... it's on the update, so it's happening for the... it's happening here. Let's do a debug.log and say main EQ equipment modifiers and then buff. So we'll see which one is null. Yo Trey, Ryder just re-recruited me to help. Let me at it. Okay. You have fun doing it. My like I said, my brain is not in math mode, so. Let's close entity, let's close quest, experience, health, all these. I don't need these right now. I don't need game manager. I needed player save data. No, with the game, you beautiful bastard. Oh, okay. You wanna hop in voice then? I mean, you're welcome to come here and help me. All right, I'm in the streaming channel if you want to hop in. I don't want the modifier to be... I'll be on after I help Ryder with this last problem. Okay, cool. Yeah, so I don't want this to return the string right now. just because I don't like the way it's showing it there. I just want to see it, whether it's null or not, whether it exists or not. So. Oh. Okay, so right now all of our modifiers are good. If I load game, after I load game, I don't even have a debug anymore. So is it... Is it main modifiers then that's not going correctly? So the main modifiers is a calculated field, so I guess really then attributes, we don't have to include that one either. Because that's just calculated off of our attributes up here, so we can eliminate that. That might help. That might be part of the problem. Let's see if that fixes it. Let's go move over here and then save the game so I get saved correctly. I'm part of the problem. Cody, you are my most important problem. I'm the most important part of the problem. Exactly. So if I come over here now and then click load game. So now at attributes.update, modifiers is null. So it's because of this. This is in start. So the that's a public void, so I can just call then. You can do this and then call player.attributes.start. And then in attributes, we'll just say, or an update, we'll say if main modifiers is null, then just return. We don't want to run this function if main modifiers is null. All right, let's see what that does. Okay, there we go. That looks like it fixed it then. Except for the item, the inventory item's not loading correctly. But I want to change that system anyway. I want to get that away from scriptable objects and use JSON data files anyway for all the item data. So that's fine. But there we go. So that looks like that fixed it. If I click on Max, then the player attributes, main modifiers, yep. So it's all 0, 0, 0. Total modifiers 0. Now if I close this, reopen it, come in here, move a sword into my equipment. So now you can see my... Oh, that's right. The equipment modifiers don't get added onto that anymore, but that's fine. Because those get calculated, those get added on and calculated at attack, rather than all the time. But now if I save, and then we can come over here and reload. The weapon is still equipped, and it's still here. So it still shows, and I can still... Okay, well... Maybe not. It probably doesn't recognize it anymore. But... No, something broke again, actually. Let's stop this and redo it. So as it is, let's just save it here as is. And then we'll stop the whole execution. We'll run it again. Load. So it looks like it's good. Oh, and then there's no... Okay. So the items are just fully null, so that's why. Okay. So, yeah, that's just a whole different issue that I gotta fix. Not the one I'm gonna worry about right now. That's a whole different monster. Maybe tomorrow, on tomorrow night's late night programming, we'll start tackling that. And do that with the quests as well. Make a quest JSON loading system to have all of our quest data, item data, all that stuff loaded into JSON files that can be loaded into the game, rather than having it as prefab scriptable objects. So that's good. So now what I want to do is kind of work on the game manager, the pause screen a little bit. So if we come in here to our pause menu, come down to the save button obviously has the save and load functions of the game manager. What if we do the resume button? I moved the whole thing. That's not what I wanted. I want the resume button to resume the game. Couldn't quests be in a quest JSON file instead of each in their own? That's what I meant. Yeah, there will be a quests JSON file. Same with items. There'll be an item database JSON and a quest database JSON. I did not mean that each thing was going to be in their own file. That would be stupid. That would be just downright ludicrous. No, it would be a... Okay, good boy. Yeah, it would just be like a big database file. So the resume button, we have a pause function on our game manager. I want to have now a resume function, which is basically just saying set active false. And really, let's just do true. And then we'll have a public void toggle pause. We'll have a toggle pause that then just checks it for the keybind, or like a JSON file which or like a JSON file which connected quest names with a relative path to their JSON files which contain all the information relating to that quest. Yeah, that would probably be. I'll take terrible ideas for 300, Alex. Are you saying that your idea was terrible? Yeah, I mean, if we already have a big file with all the quests, yeah, it doesn't make sense to have. Yes, yeah, it doesn't make sense to have different files branched off of that with URL primary keys. It would just make more sense just to have all that data in the same file and load it all up. So if the pause menu to active self is true, then we want to resume game. Else we want to pause. And like I said, this is just for the keybind, the escape keybind. The resume button will use the resume function, just to make a little bit more sense. So then we go back into Max, go into our input manager. Escape, we'll do game manager. I don't need to drag the game manager back onto that. It'll be game manager dot toggle pause. Now let's see if that works. And then I can hit resume and that does the same thing, or I can just hit escape a bunch of times and that does the same thing. Cool. What I then want the quit button to do is to do two things. So first we need a bool to say unsaved changes exist. And we'll just say false. We'll start it as false. We'll initialize it, or we'll serialize it just so I can see it, but it really doesn't. It's not really going to be changed in the inspector. But we'll have unsaved changes exist. So then if we save, we'll say unsaved changes exist equals false. And we'll do that on load as well, just because we're loading. But load, we'd probably want to check. We'd probably want to check if unsaved changes exist before we load a file. We'll get to that here in a second. And then, yeah, so we have the unsaved changes exist. So let's go into game events, which is just the event handler system, singleton system. Can I say enough words in the wrong order to make this make sense? System. This is a custom event system. It's a singleton, so on awake, it's setting the current property, current variable, which is a type of itself. It's setting it equal to this current thing. And then that lets us access all of these events and add on to them. So what we want to do then is say, let's just say a game events section, public event action. For right now, this won't take in a variable, but we'll just say on changes made. And then down here, we'll just copy this, say changes made without a variable. And then on changes made, invoke. To keep it consistent, I want a lowercase o. Lowercase o. Okay, so that's cool. So now what we need to do is invoke that event anytime we make changes. But before we do that, we'll just say we'll write a function. We'll write a function down here. Private void on changes made. And then we're just gonna say unsaved changes exist equals true. That's it. That's the whole function. And then on our start, well, we'll do awake here actually. On our awake, we'll say game events dot current dot on changes made plus equals on changes made. On changes made. There we go. So now whenever our on changes made is invoked, it will run this function along with any others that we may add to that. But now whenever we make changes, then we will register that there are unsaved changes existing. This is the kind of tedious part, is tracking where we want to consider changes being made. So, leveling up, we would want to say game events dot current, sorry, on dot changes made. So, going back to this event is what we call on things that need to subscribe to the event. This is what we call when we need to actually invoke the event and make the event happen. So in our game manager, our awake just needs to subscribe to our changes made function, just needs to subscribe to that changes made event. But our player or anywhere else that we're actually making those changes needs to actually invoke the changes made event, so we have to call that function. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm not kind of rushing over this too quickly. If I am, please stop me and I'll try my best to explain it more. That's all there's in for the player. So then gonna go down to models. So player experience. On the give experience, we're going to invoke changes made here. We don't need to do that here because we're doing that in the function there, so that makes sense. Player health, if we take damage or if we heal, we want to invoke changes made there. Player inventory, anytime we add or remove. So I'd actually want to go down to the base level for that one. So anytime we add equipment, invoke changes made. Anytime we add inventory items, invoke changes made. And anytime we remove inventory items, invoke changes made. And then same with the player quest log. So again, I have to go down to the base element for that. On add quest, we want to invoke changes made, and on remove quest, we want to invoke changes made. And so for right now, that's good, I think. No, sorry, we would want to do it in the attributes as well. So if we set our string, if we set any of our attribute values, we want to invoke changes made. So this is what I'm saying when it's a little tedious, is that you have to kind of do this everywhere you're making these changes and things like that. But it does pay off, in a sense. You're not... It keeps the whole system a little bit more detached. I don't have to have references to all of these different things inside of my game manager. I just have to have an event linking them. So it's a little bit cleaner. It's just a bit more tedious to have to do. And now that I think about it, I don't actually want the set strengths, the set functions to have changes made invoke, or have, I don't want those to invoke changes made. I just want the increase and decrease to invoke that. So if I go back up to set, I'll just get rid of these lines. Because these are just going to be like one-time things. They're not going to cause anything to be changed. So I don't want those. But the increase and the decrease, those will invoke changes made. And then I want the modifiers as well. So set, not so much. When we plus or minus though, before we return, invoke current changes made. And I think that's good. Let's test it out and see what happens. Actually, one more place that I want to do, because we do save it, the update. So on move entity, we won't do it there quite yet. I would obviously want to save if the player's moving around, but not on the update. I'll come up with something different for the update. Okay, so we have all this. We added our items to the inventory, so already we should have unsaved changes, right? Yep, unsaved changes exist. So now when I click save, those unsaved changes should go away. Okay, so now I gotta figure out. Oh, okay. No, none of this. This we don't need, because that's why. Because those are running on an update, so it's always happening. So it's gonna throw it off. And because we're adding it that way, just having a calculated field, it doesn't really make sense. So that's fine. We don't need to do that for the modifiers. Apparently we don't have unsaved changes. We should. There we go. Oh, that's something else I need to remove as well. My tooltip doesn't go away when I close my inventory, so I need to kind of fix that. But now you can see when I moved my sword into my equipment, I got unsaved changes exist. So now I can come in here, say save game, and now we don't have any unsaved changes. So that's cool. So now what I want to do is the quit function. So let me close the attributes again, the modifier, player.cs, player.json I don't need anymore for right now. So we have save game, load game, and then we need to write public void quit. And if we're quitting, we don't want to quit. For right now, we don't want to quit if there's unsaved changes. But we would want to make some kind of quit confirmation dialog box, so that if we're quitting with unsaved changes, a confirmation box would pop up. But for now, we're just gonna say if we have unsaved changes, then return. Otherwise, and then I need to go back to another manager. Which is here, the main menu. So I want to load the scene previous to this one. I want to load the main menu screen. So build index -1. Okay, so let's try that. So we don't have any unsaved changes, so we should just be able to say quit. Or not. Let me check my build settings real quick. Okay. We're actually just gonna we're just gonna say load scene 0. So, quit. Oh, right. Duh, stupid. It helps if you actually assign the function to the button. So menu, which actually that needs to be just say quit button. So that it's consistent with all the other button names here. And then our on click is going to be this game manager. Game manager quit. And go ahead and save the scene. And then run it. And now when I quit, so now I go back to this is a main menu scene that I just quickly threw together. So that's awesome. Then I can say new game and it'll throw me in here. Nice. Ow. My neck. Okay. So now actually, let's test it with move an item out of my inventory so we have unsaved changes, and then quit, and it just doesn't do anything. So good. Cool. Cool. So let's quickly throw together a some kind of confirmation UI. I'm just gonna copy the pause menu. I'm gonna get rid of 2 of the buttons. This button is going to say confirm, and this button is going to say cancel. And I want to change both of those. Let's actually enable that so I can see it. And this is going to be quit confirmation dialog. If I can spell, which I cannot. So this is going to be confirm and cancel. And we want these to be more side by side. So actually I'll just quickly add a component, horizontal layout. And I want to align it to the middle center. You can bring them closer together. And then we'll give them a padding of like 10. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. That's all good, man. You're good. Alright. Little TMI there, but thank you for letting me know, I think. So this is our quick confirmation. So I can go into Game Manager, throw up the quick confirmation dialog. And so now instead of returning, if we have unsaved changes, we want to say pause menu dot set active false and quick confirmation dot set active true. We'll throw an else on here just to, well, I didn't want square brackets. So if we don't have unsaved changes, it's just going to load the main menu scene. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that now. Actually, before I do that, let me duplicate this. Can I change the horizontal so that I cannot? I'll create a new empty game object. Put that there. Put those in there. Take this, copy component, paste as new, and then remove the component here. So now then this is going to be our dialog text, which is just going to say, you have unsaved changes. Are you sure you want to quit? And then this is going to have a vertical layout group. Again, align it to the middle center. Don't change these. Why is this off to the side? Let's reset the transform on that. Let's reset the transform on these. Okay. Making a picture of that John Cena meme. Are you sure about that? Yeah, 100%, definitely. Okay, let me back this up. The dialog text, just briefly, let me move it up here. And then let me increase its size. Kind of drag it there. And drag it back up. And then this, I need it to be center as well. Why are you off to the side, though? Hello. Hey, Maggie. How you doing? Best mod is here. Don't say that Cody's here. What are you... Cody, hi. How fucking dare. Alright, why is this off center? Can I just... Actually, let me just reset the transform on this. Yeah, why are you fucking off center? What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, I think it's based on the top left pixel, not the middle. Well, I have it anchored to the center. That's what I'm doing here. I'm setting it to be its pivot and everything is set to the center of the object. Your best male mod. I mean, I can just adjust it. I guess it's not a big deal. It's just a little annoying. I think... Oh, I see the problem. Let me just make it the same size as this. Okay, there we go. I told you. You... You were saying it was based on the top left pixel. You did not say that the box wasn't big enough. Don't pat yourself on the back for that. You were wrong. I was also wrong. We were all wrong, alright? Oh, that's what happened. Okay, but now that I have that figured out, and both of these are aligning center, now I can go and add the... Well, I mean, that's fine. I don't need to add a vertical layout, but I'll do it anyway and watch it fuck everything up. Yep. Middle center. There we go. And we'll give it like 10 pixels of spacing. There we go. And then let's deactivate that so it doesn't show up. So I bought that new computer. Oh yeah? Nice. Yeah, I just want you all to know that it was like, what was it? Was it like 3 in the morning? No, I guess it was like 5 this morning. 5 o'clock this morning, she texts me on Discord and goes, just sends me, she doesn't even say anything. She just sends me a picture of, she sends me a link to a Best Buy article for a computer. And I was like, I guess I'm gonna like tell her if this is good or not. I'm assuming that's why she's sending this to me. I'm assuming she's not bragging. I'm hoping she's not bragging. But I was like, I mean, yeah, it's good. I think Best Buy's upcharging it a bit, but it's good. But I was very confused at 5 in the morning why I was getting a link to a Best Buy page for a computer. Funniest thing, I woke up to a text from my dad with the same computer. Oh, like he sent you the same computer? Nice. So let me make some unsafe changes here. Which if I go into my game manager, unsafe changes, cool. Best Buy equals upcharge. Wait. Yeah, he was like, this is a good one, you should buy it. Oh, okay, nice. I mean, yeah, it's a good one. Like it's definitely fine, especially just for more casual gaming use, even streaming. Like that's just it's good. It'll last you a long time. I love Best Buy though. So much fun to wander around. Okay. I don't mean to be that guy, but I really don't like walking around Best Buy, and I don't like the Geek Squad. Like, I'm glad that it's there, I'm glad they have a tech support, but at the same time, like, they don't help. Anytime I've gone in with, like, and I'm looking for stuff, like, generally I'll just find it on my own, or I already know what I'm looking for, like, building a computer and whatnot. And then up comes this Geek Squad guy, like, oh, well, actually, you want this instead. I'm like, no, I don't. Thanks, though. Geek Squad are just glorified salesmen. 100% correct. That is, yeah. Like, that just, it's the worst. Bold of you to assume I've ever asked help from one of their employees. I have anxiety, dude. No, that's fair. That's fair. Quit. Okay, so you have unsafe. Oh, this is a button. I don't want this to be a button, but it comes up, which is what I wanted. So I need to go make this non-button. I just go in and look at their TV. Why'd I read that as TV anime DVD section? I just go in and look at their anime DVD section and go click clack on the keyboards. Nice. I need to get a new keyboard. Thank you for reminding me that I need to get a new keyboard. Delete the button. Delete the button. Delete the button. Okay, there we go. Oh! Exclamation or all caps. You should get a Corsair. That was probably what I was gonna get. For the RGBs. Make it a button which changes its text to seriously when it's clicked on. K55 RGB, it's very nice. I have it. Nice. Yeah, I was probably just gonna get one with RGBs because my plan is at some point get this office space cleaned up because it's a mess. Hang some RGB lights around the room and make it, like that streamer room. Gotta get that whole streamer room set up going. KGB R55 Cubby, no. Cubby, why? Oh, that was not what I wanted. I wanted to make an unsafe change. Oh, I also don't want to be able to open this menu while I'm in another thing like this, or I want it to close my inventory when I open it. Quit. I have unsafe changes. Now it's just a white block. What have I done? There we go. The UI image was just like cranked all the way up. Its alpha was cranked all the way up, so. Which I don't really need a UI image either. Like I just don't need anything that I have, but it's fine. Now its beta is all the way up. Yep, that's how that works. The alpha's all the way down and the beta's all the way up. Okay, so now these confirm and cancel buttons actually need to do something. So we'll say public void confirm quit. Real power struggle. And then cancel quit. So if we confirm quit, we want to just load the scene. If we cancel quit, we want to do the opposite of what we did here. So true and false. Obviously these will do more, but like for now this is good enough. These will have to do more of like destroying resources and things like that, but just general switching of the scenes, this is fine right now. So go into here, go into confirm and cancel. Click both of them and just do a oh, they already have a thing. Okay, cool. So confirm is going to be confirm quit, and cancel is going to be cancel quit. Okay. Okay. So now, oh, I didn't stop the thing from not showing up. So, I move a weapon, unsave change, quit. You have unsaved changes. Are you sure you want to? That's supposed to say quit, but its box isn't big enough. This isn't a button anymore, which is good. I can cancel, and it just goes back to here. Or if I hit quit, and it has that again, I can say confirm, and it takes me to the main menu. Awesome. And then I can just hit new game, and it loads it back in. If I move my character over here, proud of you, Trey. Thank you, Cody. And then hit new game again. Okay, so it is actually just reloading the whole screen. The whole, it actually is just reloading the whole scene, which is good. This is genuinely so cool. I'm glad. That came out sarcastic, but no, I'm happy with the progress I've made on this. Like, because I've definitely tried before, and it was always a running joke, like, oh, I'm making a game. But like now I'm genuinely seeing progress on this, and I feel like I'm actually getting somewhere. So this is really cool to see all this come together. I can move my sword, make an unsaved change. I'll be back. All right, dude. And then come in here, save my game. I have now saved changes. So I can quit, take me back to the menu. And now my load game doesn't do anything. But my load game will do something. So let's make a public void load game. So I want to load the scene. So we're going to start the scene up just as we normally would. And then let's just make a, for right now, let's make an event. Public event action on main menu load. On main menu game load, we'll say. So then we'll just say game events dot current dot main menu game load, and we'll invoke that. And then in our game manager we'll just say private void on main menu game load. We just want to load our game. And obviously then at some point that event can be sent a string to actually get the save file and stuff, but like I said, we're only dealing with one save file right now, and then we'll focus on multiple saves in the future. Okay, so now what should happen? Y'all ready for this? What should happen is when I hit load game, it should still go into the game, but it should load up our progress. So if I move somewhere over here, hit say move my sword to create an actual unsaved change because our movement doesn't do that yet. Hit save game, and then quit. So now we're out of the menu. Now I can say, well, let's load a new game. Okay. Well, now I'm here in this corner. I'm like, well, I don't want that. Let's quit. Let's leave that. Let's load our previous save. Oh. Well, I was kind of hoping that was actually going to do something. Ah, I forgot to give it an event. Again, I forgot to do the bare fucking minimum. So I go to assets, scenes. I just drag my main menu scene in, like have that open as well. I can. But I actually don't want that because it's going to be there all the time. Move that script. I don't know what that is. Quit is going to have the main menu, or not quit, sorry. A load game is going to have the main menu dot load game. Okay. So save that scene, and then we will unload the scene. I'm back, bitches. Welcome back, Cody. Okay. So the first thing is, well, like, I want to actually start this in the main scene at some point, but we'll get back to that. Actually, let's just do that now. Let's just unload. Let's reload our main menu scene and unload the game scene. So now when we start, we're in our main menu. Okay. So I can do new game, and we start off here. And I can't move. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why can't I move? Because the... Okay. Because that didn't get loaded in properly. Right. Okay. For now, let's not do that. Let's just run our game scene. Oh my gosh. That sneeze hurt because it hurt my neck as well. Oh, damn it. Is my thing not correct now at all either? Damn it. Okay. I don't know why this is happening either, by the way. Like, this is really annoying. I just have to come in here, remove the game events, and put it back on. I guess it's probably not getting loaded correctly. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into why that's happening. But it's really annoying. I'm going to get rid of these debug.logs as well. Because these are also really annoying. Am I really annoying? I'm really annoying. Get rid of these left and rights as well. Get rid of these left and rights as well. Thank you. I don't know why it wasn't working. Okay, so now those won't be there anymore. Alright, so let's quit. Let's go to our menu and then load game. Because the game events isn't loaded anymore. So main menu will need a reference to game events then. Move me to streaming. Cody, you're a mod. You can hop in streaming. Cody, I don't know what's going on with hold on. Hello. You're muted, by the way.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, I'm gonna move us into streaming and hope that I'm connected again. Hello.
Yeah, we're back.
Okay.
Yeah, I would click on streaming, and it would just keep saying connecting, like yellow, and
Yeah.
but that log standard, and it would be like, "Yep, you're connected." Like,
Yeah, that's what happened to me. Mine was just like not letting. Mine was just kept disconnecting me while I was sitting here.
Yeah.
So.
And now you understand why I said move me.
Yeah. So what's going on, buddy? How you doing?
You know, good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So I need to. Actually, that should be good now. Let me go with that and see what happens. Let's quit. So now we're out here. We have our game event. So if I do load game, cool. I don't think it actually ran my thing though. If I do a save game right here, and then quit, do load game. Yeah, it's not loading it, so it's starting the scene, but then not. Because it's two different game events. Frick. Alright, that won't work. Won't be able to do that. Okay. Sorry, I'm not focused now. I'm paying attention to what's going on in the Discord because I have not read at all what they were fucking talking about today.
It's okay. I haven't been either, but I've just decided that I'm going to back Maggie because the first thing that I saw when I went to read that was them talking about beating women, which breaks one of the rules about hate speech. So if he says anything to Maggie that's like disrespectful, I'm going to say, look, that's not cool. We're going to delete those messages and you need to stop.
Yeah, Maggie, feel free to delete those messages as well, actually.
Yeah.
If you're still here on the stream watching it, feel free to delete those messages.
I'm going to put it in mod chat.
Yeah.
I'm going to say...
Okay, she saw it. She's here watching. She saw it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fucked up. They should.
Sorry, we weren't paying attention, Maggie. That's not okay. Yeah. I genuinely haven't even been watching Discord.
I haven't either. I literally like not watching it all day.
I was so busy pooping that I never actually looked.
Yeah, that was like an all day thing.
You know, it takes a lot. It takes a lot out of you. Drink coffee in the morning and then...
I wouldn't have noticed, but Evan pointed it out to me. Fair enough.
Oh, okay.
Man, mod team was on it today. We were all super observant. We were
Go mod team.
Go mod team. So I'm calling them out on it. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, they need called out on that.
Yes. Thank you for that.
I mean, I was sleeping. That's fair. I was working.
I was pooping.
Yeah, we know what Cody was doing.
No, I just, honestly, I'll go a few days without looking at the
I was sleeping and ignore most things that Jake says. Yeah, that as well. I also do that.
I just ignore most things because now I have so many servers. At the beginning of the year, I had like this server and maybe the BGSU ACM server. Mm-hmm. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7. I went from 2 to 7 in the course of one semester.
Jesus.
Yeah.
The only servers I actually even like get on and use really anymore is this one, the Idiots, and Fruit Bowl. That's it. Wait, did I leave House of Cards, or did House of Cards shut down? I might have got kicked out of House of Cards for not being active.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's not on my server list anymore.
I was just about to leave House of Cards, but yeah, I must have been inactive.
Yep.
Oh,
I mean,
no.
I was like, that's fair, I guess. Like, I wasn't active. I wasn't talking in there, but...
Can we give a number to the rules?
Yeah, that's fine.
So, like, Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to do that real quick, you should be able to edit that file, right? Or that channel?
No.
No?
Nope. I can speak message, I can copy message link, and I can mark unread. It's in the rules channel. I don't have permission to edit that.
Try now.
I can edit it.
There you
I
go.
can delete it. Okay, I'm gonna edit it.
I can delete it.
No, I can delete it, but I cannot edit it.
You can't edit it.
Nope, but I can delete it.
Don't do that.
I won't.
No, you should be able to manage. You can manage messages. Oh, that's delete. That's just delete. You can't edit my own message. That's fair.
Correct. You know, come to think of it, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's. I don't think I would want other people editing my messages.
That would be double plus ungood.
That would be double plus ungood. Sorry, programming stream. We're taking a backseat today. The other stuff going on that's more important.
John Green loves cock and ball. Are we thinking like the same John Green who happens to be Hank Green's brother? Or is this like a different John Green? Okay. Okay. So I have literally never been to Tumblr in my life.
Okay, I love that Jake's excuse was, well, you can't just say that something was bad and not tell me what. Like, you can't tell the difference between what was good and bad about what you said?
Yeah.
Aw, thank you, Maggie. John Green, you nasty and ugly as hell. Shut the fuck up. Damn. Poor John Green. Yeah, there was also only one conversation that had happened today, so, like, yeah, playing dumb like that is not a good look.
Crack mod team we are.
Yeah.
By crack mod team, I mean too busy doing other stuff.
We're just very
Such
busy.
as crack, for example.
We're very busy, and we expect the adults in this server to continue to act like adults,
To
but
be
that's
adults,
asking
yeah.
too much. I keep seeing him typing and then nothing gets sent. I know, I've been watching that as well.
Me too.
But he probably realizes that whatever he's gonna say isn't gonna be good. Like, he's dug his
Yeah.
hole. I'm ready for bullshit. Maggie, I'm so glad I made you a mod.
Me too. Welcome to the team, Mackie. I hope you weren't offended by my overtly offensive message.
I hope you weren't offended by me offending you.
Yes, correct. Don't take it personally, but it was personal. Oh, and also thank you for using the correct form of two.
Well, yeah, she's not an idiot. I mean, she is an idiot, but she's not
Unlike
an idiot.
the rest of the server. Yeah, she's an idiot registered, but not an idiot.
She's an idiot trademark, but not an idiot.
Yes.
I'm educated.
I'm an educated idiot.
Okay.
Also, I love that I thank her for the correct form of two, but I don't speak about capitalization or punctuation.
Well, don't.
Welcome to the internet.
We don't need any grammar Nazis here today.
This is me. Jeez, what a freaking politician Jake is.
Hello, Cubby. How are you today? It's very nice out, too. It is very nice out, too.
No, Maggie, you see, I got you. You need a comma after the hello, and you need a comma after out before two. Come on.
Oh, look at that.
Get it right.
Cody's on another channel. Weird. Weird how that happens.
Yeah.
Punctuation isn't real. That is true.
It's a construct. Which is true.
Well, yeah. Yes.
Literally a construct.
Literally a construct.
All language is arbitrary.
Okay, so ow, that fucking hurt. Oh, my neck.
All pain is arbitrary.
All pain is a construct.
Yes.
Ow. No, I've been going to see a chiropractor, but it's just like, it's not really helping.
You might want to get a second opinion.
Get a second opinion on the pain in my arm? It's pain. And it's in my
I'm
arm.
not, I'm not saying that you need to ask other nerves. I'm saying if your chiropractor isn't doing anything helpful, then
no. I mean, I think it's my mattress and stuff. Like, I need to get a new mattress and everything, because it doesn't.
Yeah,
hurt
that
too
would make
bad,
a big difference.
Right, it feels fine after I get adjusted, and then I'll go to bed, I'll go to sleep, or I'll take a nap or something, and then I'm like all out of whack again. I just throw out my shoulder while I'm sleeping.
Are you stretching before and when you wake up too? Like before you go to bed and when you wake up?
Do I stretch?
Yeah.
Like I'm about to go to the gym. Do I stretch? No, Cody. I'd usually just lay down in my
you
bed
don't
and
have
go
to
sleep.
limber up for bed. I mean, stretch like your neck and keep your muscles stretched around your neck and stuff.
No, I usually just go to bed.
Yeah, me too.
I'm usually pretty tired and not thinking about that sort of stuff.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, well.
What I'm saying is it could be helpful.
No, I know. I got you. That was funny. Alright, so I need something outside of both scenes that lets me...
Riveting stream.
Sorry.
No, I just heard it go quiet because I genuinely was just listening to you as noise, not as words.
Yeah.
And then I looked over and you're just looking down at the Discord. I'm like, yep, me too.
Yep. Yeah. So I need something outside of the current...
It's okay. We trust Maggie to handle this.
Yeah, you got.
I'll watch it. You stream.
Okay. I need something outside of the scene. Outside.
I'll just delete the server if it goes bad.
There you go. Just like full Alt F4.
Start over.
Yeah. Full reboot. We're done.
I'll just. Well, I was gonna make a bad joke, but I shouldn't.
Gonna start
the exact thing that they're getting in trouble. Yeah, I was about to say. I'll just. Start some shit. It's okay. Don't worry, Maggie. I'm watching. I'll distract him.
Maggie, you're free to start shit.
Just if it's personal shit, do it private.
If it's please leave personal shit off the server. Kidding though, I won't do anything horrible.
My joke was gonna be, if it goes bad, I'll just go to all of the places that the servers are hosted, buy Discord and get rid of them.
Yeah.
But that's not feasible. Or funny.
Or that's not feasible or funny. Ah, yes, my kind of joke.
Yes. Inconceivable.
Inconceivable. Okay, so
Oh, and by the way, what I meant when I said writer re-recruited me to do this was like to help develop the project.
oh,
Yeah.
okay. I honestly thought you were talking about the homework, and I was really confused.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fine. It's Unity, so like you'll definitely have to learn Unity. And I can kind of help with that, but I mean, there's tons of tutorials and shit that you can watch. It's C# for the most part. You just kind of have to learn the API of Unity and how to get around doing things.
Mhm.
But it's pretty
As you
easy.
do.
Yeah. I mean, like it's just learning a new tool. It's not too difficult. But yeah, I'm kind of at a point now that I'm kind of just waiting for Writer to do some art, and then that'll kind of push it forward a little bit more. That we'll have some more of what the game's actually going to look like. But he and I, and now you, also have to just kind of sit down again and discuss kind of what we want the game to look like. Because we have a concept. We still have a concept and a sort of story. But we haven't really talked about much about how it's going to look. Beyond, I want it to be... I would like it to kind of be this, like, Legend of Zelda pixelated style. Okay, well, that's not helpful. Just read. You don't have to say what the fuck is going on. Just goddamn read the chat. Sorry, I was looking at Discord again.
Yeah, I know.
Maggie just LMAO'd. Wasn't helpful. It didn't...
Crack mod team.
Crack mod team. We have no idea what's going on anymore.
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck is going on? Okay. What if I do something like this, actually? This is probably a really stupid idea, so I'm gonna do it. Scene. Game events. Have this scene loaded at all times with the main menu and the game. But have the game events on that and don't have a main camera. Can you have like multiple scenes loaded at the same time in Unity? I don't know. Love being part of crack mod team. It's not like we're a crack mod team. It's just crack mod team. Like we're
broken.
We're broken. we don't know what we're doing.
It might look like a compound fracture, but it's just stress fractures.
It's just Jesus.
Who the fuck is Papa Soap?
Papa Soap is Evan.
Who the fuck is Evan?
Maggie's friend Evan. Papa Soap.
I don't have to call him Daddy, do I?
I mean, if you don't want to.
He's not particularly strict. Yes, you do have to call him Daddy. Yeah. Daddy Evan. Okay.
Daddy Soap.
Daddy Soap. I better get to cussing so he puts his soap in my mouth.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Man, I was gonna have a movie night tonight, and I gotta go. Like, I'm gonna have to deal with this after I stream tonight. God damn it, guys! Like, Evan or not Evan, Jared, Jake, you guys couldn't have picked another night to be sexist assholes. Like, it had to be tonight.
I mean, just like you had to do it in general.
Well, that too, but. Okay, let's see if this works the way I hope it does. No, it doesn't, because now I can't move. Probably because, yep.
Thank you, Maggie. I watched the clip. I'm happy I watched the clip.
It's
Okay.
good. It's a good clip.
Yes. I'm very slowly becoming accustomed to my voice
Well,
after
that's-
22 years.
That's good. I was gonna say it's been a minute. Oh, I don't need to assign it to a thing. Well, gee.
Okay, so this is directed at all mods generally, but also specifically, I'm sort of talking to Maggie right now. I think in the future it'd be better to handle stuff like this with a very curt, like, you broke this rule, don't break this rule. And then maybe we could send like a private message to them that's like, this is what happened, if they request to know. Does that sound good, Papa Trey? All right, good talk.
Like the scolding shouldn't be done on the server. Just have it make a declaration that
Yes,
they broke
make
the
it-
rule, and
Make it a very
anything
like,
else should be done.
this is not okay. This broke this rule. Don't do it. Don't do that again. Because sort of like with Andy, it's like a public,
Yeah, I'd say that's
reprimand
fair.
them, you know.
I'd say that's fair.
and that encourages them to then defend themselves, which just drags it all out over time, and then we have to summon Papa Soap to come handle the situation. God, I have a fucking headache.
Papa Soap to the rescue. Hell yeah.
I stare at screens all day, but screens are my life. How do I not stare at screens all day?
He is a psychologist.
Psychogist.
Psychologist.
Maggie, please, you can't say that.
Well, looks like a mod slot opened up. Unfortunately.
Yo, Papa Soap, you busy?
You busy? Daddy Soap.
Daddy Soap, please. Okay, I'm done with Daddy Soap.
He helps with a lot of stuff in my server. Yeah. I gotta tell you about how it happened last night. Is it? I assume you don't want me to say it over because I think you already messaged me over. I think you already started to tell me about it over Discord. So we can definitely talk about it later if you want. Okay. Yeah. You do not have to call
thanks,
me
Evan.
daddy.
Thanks for clarifying that.
No,
Yeah.
Evan, don't back down. This is
Stand
your
your ground.
moment.
This is my moment.
So I read this thing on Stack Overflow, and I think it lied to me.
What? This is the internet. They can't lie.
They can't do that. Shoot her or something.
Never mind. New name, Daddy Soap. Way to stand your ground.
New name, Daddy Soap. Oh
New
my
name,
gosh.
who dis? What was that?
How is that? That genuinely like caught me off guard. That's what that was. I just
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad after however long we've known each other, I finally made you genuinely laugh.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do this instead and just make it all static, and that should be good. Not make it a singleton. What is that?
Static. Yeah,
You knew what you did.
I did. I do.
It took me a while, but I got there.
We had faith in you. Also, hi, Daddy. I'm Cubby. Nice to meet you.
I don't know. I don't know why. That
Thanks
was-
again. Thanks for your financial support. Cody. You spelled my name wrong. Okay, there we go.
This will take a while to get used to. Hello.
I can stop. It's okay. I mean, I might be able to. Okay, that might take a while to get used to.
Oh no, baby.
And Maggie, don't you mean you canoe, but like with a C, because it's funnier?
What?
No, it's fine. Don't worry. Yeah, there you go.
You heard
You heard
it, Trey.
Trey.
You're right. You're right.
All right, so like, am I actually helping, or
I mean,
like, am I just taking up bandwidth at this point?
I think you're just taking up bandwidth at this point, but it's okay. Open your ears and you will understand. Man, I'm getting attacked. I don't like this. What did I
Empty
do?
your mind.
I'm done.
Clear your ear channels. Kill. I said kill because it was a function on a line in the file he was on,
Was it?
and I read it.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, enemy health, right? Yeah.
probably for like kill process or kill enemy. I don't know.
Yeah, kill enemy. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right there.
as you do. As you do. Yeah.
As you do, kill. Okay, let's see if this works now.
You can make a meme where you define a function that takes a parameter, and then you could just call kill it, You'd be like killing it.
Killing it.
Hey, well,
so I want to then actually do the game events after I load the scene. Getting there.
wait, why do you want to do the events after you load the scene?
Because if I do the event that I'm calling is loading the game when I go into that main menu. And if I do that before the scene's loaded, this player object isn't created and can't be modified.
Can you say that again for me?
Okay, so here I'm at the menu, right?
Yes.
I haven't my old scene with all the game scene is destroyed. And my player object is destroyed.
Yes.
So my load was saying, okay, on load, call this event, which is going to load in our save data and set the player accordingly, and then load the scene. But what I wanted to do is load the scene and then set the load data accordingly. Hell yeah, I bought a new headset today. Hell yeah. My voice cracked there. Hell yeah.
Nice, Daddy. Proud of you.
Stop that.
I will. I swear. It's still like an active decision I have to make
was that for
speak.
Evan or was that for me? Like that.
That was for Evan. It was not.
Well then
for
never
me.
mind. Keep going. I thought that was for me. And I was uncomfortable.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Look at us being irresponsible with money. Hell yeah.
What else are you supposed to do with it?
True.
If you're being responsible with it, it's just sitting passively.
Daddy, so being irresponsible.
Oh
Excuse me.
no.
Oh, you're right. You did say Moeni. I'm sorry. I retract my statement.
Moeni.
Moeni. Momoe. I would like to reach out my Momoe.
I'll be back. I'm gonna get some water.
Okay.
Some water.
Some water. So let's move this into its own method and call that get game components. And then on awake we'll call that, and on load we'll call that as well. So then when we load, we should have the actual game components new, because what was happening is that it was getting destroyed, and because we were only calling that on awake, it was only getting set the one time, not when the scene reloaded. So now this should work, he said, hopefully. So it's gonna quit and then load game. Oh, it's different. Oh, man.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thanks.
I am in class, have not been paying attention, but got called on. Yeah, you should probably be paying attention.
Usually recommended, but only to the stream, never to class.
Yeah, exactly.
Correct.
100%.
Yes. What class is it? Does it matter? I mean, yeah, that one. That's the industrial and organizational psychology class, right? Like, how to trick people into doing what you want them to do and feeling like it was their idea and making them feel better about themselves.
Oh man,
while
the
doing
Inception class.
Yes. Well, yes. Yes.
Yes.
Were you answering Evan or me? Evan. All right, cool. Good talk.
Good talk.
Yeah. So this intro to whatever the fuck it is.
This intro to whatever the fuck.
God, you need to fix your voice.
God,
I don't know what's going on with
I
you.
don't either, man.
It's like second puberty.
9 times out of 10, I just hope people like don't hear it, and I realize that they
Ooh.
very clearly did.
I'm sorry, but we do.
every time it's noticeable, and
We
I don't know
people have
why it does
functioning
it.
ears.
People with functioning ears can hear my voice crack. Okay. We're gonna take a pause on that one, and we're gonna.
Have you learned about Maslow's hierarchy of self-need, self-actualization? That's what it is. Hierarchy of needs, or like pyramid of self-actualization, or something. Whatever it is. Yeah, hate that shit. Yeah, me too.
What a conversation starter. Have you learned about this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate it. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Maslow. Yeah, that guy fucking sucks. Yeah, it's fake. All you need is cool rocks. That's called enlightenment, my friend. Maslow messed up. Yeah, cool rocks and bones. Okay. Not cool bones, just bones. I have bones. I don't have any cool rocks, but I have bones. Dem bones, dem bones, dem. Dancing
Dry
bones.
bones.
What?
Dry bones.
Dry bones. Bones like the TV show?
God, are you a boomer?
I am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I actually really liked that show until like the last season. And I was like, yeah, I'm done. Not that I disliked it in the last season. I just didn't watch it anymore.
Yeah. Wait, how old are you? He's 22. He's feeling 22.
God, I recognize this song. I was trying to think of lyrics and I just can't.
Evan, you are grandpa, and you just need to accept that.
Oh, Daddy is actually Daddy? Cody, no. My bones agree.
Daddy is actually Daddy. Woo. Ooh, that one
Yeah.
got me. I was not expecting that. That one got me.
Yeah.
Um,
Dude, I got a... Wait. I got a Logitech headset too. Or were you talking about like cool rocks? Logitech makes cool rocks?
no, he got a headset.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. I just wasn't sure if he was talking about cool rocks or headsets when he said Logitech.
You didn't know if he was talking about cool rocks or a headset when talking about Logitech?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they're trying to...
My
Logitech
Logitech
rock is built
different.
Yeah, I literally just got a Logitech headset a little bit before. Oh, thanks.
Thank you,
Maggie.
Maggie. Oh, Daddy is actually Daddy? Christ.
Bless you, man. Assuming that was a sneeze.
No.
That took you a second. That really took you a second.
It's because I wasn't...
Disappointed. I type out all my sneezes. Nice. Nice.
Don't
We all
encourage him. Don't.
That's proper English.
Oh,
Yes, I said proper and not proper. I
That's
said
proper
English instead of
English.
English. Proper English.
Proper English.
Thank you. I need encouragement.
Cody is a sweetheart. I will encourage him.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
True. Thanks.
You good there, friend?
I just have so much homework to do, and I don't want to do it.
That's a mood. Except I don't have homework to do. Yeah.
You just don't want to do it.
I just have homework to do, and I don't want to do it.
I just know that even if I don't have it, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, like it's the impending, like the future homework that I have. I just don't want to do.
Yes.
I'm
What
just-
every human really fears is future homework.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, welcome to Deathbed class. Here's your assignment. Hope you can finish it before you die. Otherwise you fail.
I just realized I've just been working and I haven't been narrating anything I've been doing just because I'm fucking talking to people.
It's because I'm not shutting up.
Well, but like my pause menu now,
No,
like if I
that's
have
the
my
reason.
inventory open, my pause closes the inventory, which is nice. But now I need to stop you from being able to do other things like that while in the pause menu.
You need to stop me?
I need to stop you. You are becoming a problem.
I am the most important
You are
problem.
the most important problem.
Yes. Never heard of that.
Cody not talking, never heard of that.
Was that sarcasm because I don't stop talking, or was that sarcasm because I literally haven't talked in the Discord in so long?
I think if you have to ask, you already know the answer, and it's definitely the first one.
It's definitely both.
Definitely both.
Back at you, Maggie.
Oh, for the heart, not for the not talking, never heard of that comment.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, no.
What do you think I am, a sarcastic asshole?
Yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.
Okay, I'm actually gonna, try to work on homework.
Okay.
Yeah, I should do that.
Homework for losertis.
English for losertus. We don't need no education.
God, are we Michael and Gavin now?
Welcome to PlayPals Live.
Yep. Don't have time to spell it correctly. Me too. Watch how fast I'll type this. Well, in the time it took you to...
Jog jizzes.
I don't know.
See, that
what
was
that
so
is.
fast. So laugh fast.
I don't know what's happening anymore, guys. I've lost it. I don't know what's happening. God, I hate that.
The delay or the is that what you're talking about?
I don't know.
I wasn't talking to you.
I just want to type fast, and but the stream delay won't let me.
Oh, nice. I genuinely was lost for a second, so I just said, "Oh,
Nice.
I just panicked, and again didn't stop speaking.
Just-
See, I speak too fast to spell correctly.
Don't you love me and Evan coming in and being crackheads for you? Yes.
Very useful.
Content.
Functional crackhead.
Functional crackhead. Oh, I'm not functional at all. Okay, why am I still able to move if my thing is paused? Okay, I can't. Cool.
Ah, yes. The sweet embrace of paralysis.
Good. I can't move.
Yes. Precisely what I've been waiting for. Paralysis. Fuck
yeah.
That's my jam.
That's my shit. Shit.
Can you change it from pause to paralysis and then unpause to unparalysis?
I think she's making fun of me because I'm saying unpause. Why are you making fun of me because I'm saying unpause? Someone say resume.
Wait. Also, why do you have a completely different event?
What?
Why do you have a completely different event?
What do you mean?
Because on pause is toggle.
Are you really changing your whole code because I made fun of you? Yes.
You heard him. He's been to the chiropractor. The chiropractor took all his backbone.
It took my spine. I'm spineless. I can't stand up for myself. No, I want an event for when the game pauses so that I can tell things to stop functioning, like the players shouldn't be able to move anymore. But then I need something when the game resumes or unpauses so that
Okay, so it's not an
opposite.
event handler, it's just an event.
Yeah.
Did the words that I said, were they right? Or was it like
Is she
that?
bothering you, King? You don't have the power. Oh damn, looks like I gotta give Evan the power and take the power away from Maggie.
You are correct.
I am the Senate.
In comes Julius.
What?
In comes Julius, because Julius Caesar kind of like sidestepped the Senate because they didn't want to lose their position.
Yeah.
And then, the fall of Rome and all that.
No, Cody, it's a Star Wars reference. A movie that you still have yet to watch.
I think it's more than one movie.
It is! And you need to watch them! I can't love someone who hasn't seen Star Wars, okay? Well, Maggie, I'm sorry, we're not friends anymore.
You literally just lied.
You should not have told me about that. You should not have told me that, but I know about it. Alright, you're on thin fucking ice.
She also didn't put a space between Star and Wars.
That's fine.
That's fine?
That's fine. I have also not watched Star Wars, except episode
Great.
4. What?
You're outnumbered.
What? Oh, the people that haven't seen Star Wars. Live long in prosperity. God damn it. That's not even the Star Trek.
You even got the quote wrong.
Yeah.
So wrong. I bet he just held up his middle finger.
That was a middle finger to both. Yeah, that was the joke. Yeah, I'll say that was a middle finger to both franchises. Live long in prosperity.
Funny joke.
Funny joke. Okay. Jesus Christ. I feel like this has been the least productive late night programming stream in a long ass fucking time. And there
The
was
one where
definitely
he
a stream where I
destroyed
didn't
the
do
Death
anything. The one where the one where he destroys the Death Star. The first one. Or the fourth
The only
one.
Death Star that has ever truly existed.
Cody, we've talked about this.
Yeah, there's 67.
3!
Yeah, 67 mod something that makes it equal 3.
That's Futurama. Oh shit, you right. I'm losing my mind, guys. I can't handle this. That's all I have. My whole personality is Star Wars, and you're ripping that from me.
You can't handle the truth.
You can't handle the truth. Okay.
My neck hurts.
Yeah, mine too. You should go get a second opinion about it.
Your arm, does my neck hurt? Yeah.
Alright, cool. Now I can move after I pause the game.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what's happening anymore. Like I just
My brain stopped working again.
like I think I'm just here and Cody has stolen the show now, and I'm just here as the medium for Cody to do his thing.
You know, if I didn't have homework to do, I would genuinely be streaming Minecraft right now. But I have homework.
But you're not
But
doing
I'm
your
hanging
homework.
on to, no.
Yeah.
No. I'm hanging on to your stream so I don't do my homework.
Okay. Well, if Cody actually streamed,
Hey, now.
I mean that would also
I
require
did
Cody.
stream at one point.
That would also require Cody to actually come play games with us and just not always say that he's tired and going to bed every time I ask.
That's genuinely what's
or played games with us exactly.
with USA.
USA.
What am I, an Olympic athlete now?
Yeah.
Olympic esports athlete? Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Saved it. You saved your unfunny joke.
Correct.
Yes, play games with the United States Army. Yeah. Go play games with their esports team.
Why?
Because that's a good use of our tax dollars.
Where did you get Army?
Because the United States Army has an esports team.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Why?
I don't fucking know.
I mean,
But they have a legitimate esports team, and
No.
they stream. They stream on Twitch.
let me clarify. It makes sense because that's where it's heading. Sports is very much moving into the online realm.
Ask
But
them what their favorite war crime
why?
is as you bag them in Valorant. It's a ploy to recruit people into the army, like no joke. Yeah, I mean it's definitely for like recruitment purposes. But like, why are my tax dollars going to the army to play video games? Why can't my tax dollars go to me to play video games?
What about like the fact that almost every branch of the military has a sports team in football? And,
Yeah. That
you
too.
know.
That also doesn't make any fucking sense.
The thing is, though, those make money through concession and tickets,
Well then, why are their
And,
military budget so high?
memorabilia, because they have to pay to get the shirts and hats and stuff. Army dumb, yeah,
so
precisely.
what I'm
Army
hearing is they're
dumb.
not making army dumb. Yes. So what I'm
Is that
hearing
the
is
new
they don't turn a
Army
profit on their concessions.
I didn't say that.
It was implied.
I really don't think it was.
It wasn't. But
However,
however, I'll
my
jump
next
to that.
point.
I'll jump to that conclusion willingly. Catch me waiting around the house yelling, "I hate the." Catch me walling around the house yelling, "I hate the military." Apparently, they got asked about the war crimes so much that there's now a flowchart to show them how to respond. That's awesome. What was it? They were streaming at the same time that Oh wait, AOC was he's reporting you to the military now, right? You said it on stream, or reporting you to the military now, right? But like AOC was streaming, she did Among Us with a bunch of
Yes.
people, and then the military, the
I was
army.
genuinely impressed by like how good at streaming she is.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like if like she's within our like age range kind of thing. Like she's kind of got that like.
I
yeah,
looked
like,
it up like the other day, and she's like 31 or something.
Yeah, yeah. Like she's still fairly young, so it's like she's got that like millennial. I don't know, like the ability to do shit like that and not be awkward.
Yeah.
You know, unlike me, who just literally can't fucking speak right now.
Who just leaves it up to your friends to make content for you.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just.
Like a leech, but better.
I couldn't think of the word. I was gonna say outsourcing my friends, and that's just really weird.
That's not correct.
That's not at all correct. I'm gonna start outsourcing my friends. She's also just a public figure, so she's gonna be good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true. Yeah, she's a public figure, so she's gonna be good at public speaking. But also, that's not
public
true.
speaking translate into streaming, though?
I mean, yeah, like. Well, like if you're confident enough to talk in front of a room of people, yeah, you're probably gonna be confident enough to just talk as if that room of people were sitting behind your monitor. Like that for sure translates. Like.
Trey, that makes no sense. Why would several thousand people be sitting behind your monitor?
Why? Why? That's what you latched on to?
Yes.
You couldn't let me have one thing. Like you had answer the goddamn question.
Correct.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm looking at fucking player inventory code, and I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Yeah, I haven't known what you've been doing for a while. So.
You know, that's fine. The coding of late night programming is just a background tonight. It's not the important thing that's happening right now.
This isn't Thursday. It's not.
Well,
it's not
true.
the night for us.
That's true, but I didn't do it yesterday, so that's why I'm doing it tonight.
Oh, you do it Tuesday and Thursday?
I do it, yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday.
And Sunday.
And
wow.
Sunday. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
I need
Wow. I got a fever. The only prescription is more wow.
More wow.
Wow.
Oh, game events on pause. Oh, and game events on resume. And then I need a variable that just says cool game.
What does the virtual keyword do? Oh, it's an abstract class. That makes sense.
Yeah. You should start adding more fun commands to your stream. You're right, I should. But also, it feels like every time I do something, like I just feel like I'm stealing it from you anyway. Like, I want to hug people in your stream. All right, it sounds like I got your permission. I'll add the hug command.
No, well that's fair.
No, steal it from me. Do it. Fair enough.
Oh, I thought you were saying no hugs for me. I was like, I mean, that's fair.
Whatever you want to take it. All right. Can I take your channel? Is that off the table or like?
Here, how about a trade? You can have my shitty internet, and I'll take all your subscribers.
You can take my shitty code base, and I'll take all of your fan base.
There we go, base trade. I couldn't hear.
I asked if I could take your. I asked if I could take your channel. If your channel was off the table.
No.
Oh. It's not off the table.
No, it is
Alright.
not off the table. There you go. You're not Mengpi.
I'm not Mengpi. Damn. How do I become Mengpi?
How does one do the Mengpi?
Got
Got him.
him. Gosh.
I need to do homework.
God, we are just something else tonight.
My headache has only gotten worse.
I'm honestly starting to get one. Mengpi is slightly worse than mango. You have to live, eat, speak, breathe fruit. To become mango. Manga is number one, obviously.
Painful.
Ooh, I wonder if there's a way to just pause animations, because when I pause, he's just kind of like moonwalking over there. He's walking on a treadmill right now.
She is number one.
Animator. Is there like a pause? Can I just like animator dot stop?
You're a bad joke.
What? Freeze. I just want to pause it. Like, stop it. Unity, freeze, animator, on current frame.
Animator.hold up.
Yeah, animator.hold.
Precisely. Why does Excel always open on the screen you don't want it to open on?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Why did you... I don't want an ad. I have an ad blocker for a reason. Fuck off.
Trey, they're just trying to make a buck.
I don't care. Do I look like somebody who's going to give in to corporate America?
Yes.
Alright, fair enough.
Yeah.
What's the normal timescale though? Is it 1? I bet it's 1. Yeah.
Timescale for what?
Shut up.
No.
It's the Unity timescale property that just
That
says
means
like
nothing to me.
well yeah, but don't worry, it means nothing to me. But like if you set it to 0, it freezes all like animations and stuff, which is what I want it to do.
Oh, okay, cool.
So when I do this,
So like scale is like progression.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. That's much better. I still can open my inventory, and I don't want to do that. But that's a lot better, actually. And then when I unpause, it goes back to normal.
Nice.
Yeah. So if I'm walking, and oh no, it'll stop me before I do that, but that's fine. But yeah, now it'll actually like freeze their animations and it doesn't look janky. Okay. Now I want to take. I need to go into the input manager. And actually, I don't need to go in the input manager. I need to go into the player inventory. That's why I was looking at the player inventory earlier.
Oh wait, actually, timescale 0 and timescale 1 does make sense.
Yeah, just
If
one
it's
is
like
your
a
normal
scale
time
of
scale.
speed. Yeah.
Yeah.
We gave my dog a bath today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I assume it went well, considering
Yeah.
it's a big dog.
He's only like a medium-sized dog right now.
Oh, okay.
I think he's going to get a lot bigger, though, because he's only one.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's really the only news I have.
That's it. That's the story. Dylan gave Blade a bath the other day, and then like dog has.
Blade Runner?
Yep.
Come on, you were part of that joke when I made it.
Oh. But yeah, the dog has a lot of fucking fur, so like it was just like soaked forever.
We were draining our tub, and it actually stopped draining because of all of his fur.
Yeah.
It just was like in the drain. Not in the drain, but in the drain. Like grate.
Right.
So it just stopped draining. Yeah. As you would expect, but still.
As you would expect.
Yeah, he does not like baths. In the slightest.
I mean, I don't either. Yeah. I can relate to that.
You don't like baths?
No, I'm more of a shower guy. I don't like sitting in a bath. That's like that's nasty. Plus, I'm like looking at myself. I'm like, I don't want to look at myself. I'm nasty. I don't want to look at myself. I just want to shower. Like, cool.
Yeah, I thought when you said bath, like I thought we were just talking about bathing in general.
No, no.
Yeah.
Apparently I can't move, but I can spin in place.
Nice.
Nice.
Do a spin move.
That's what I'm doing.
Nice.
So I gotta figure out what's going on there. I hate dancing.
Keep dancing, yeah. You should be dancing, yeah.
Oh, is it because of the game manager on quit? We need to set the timescale back to 1, and on confirm quit, we need to set the timescale back to 1. That's why I bet. Yeah, because this guy's not even moving over here, so that's what it was. And then if I quit, and then new game, yeah, there we go. My timescale was just fucked up. That was the only issue.
Mine is too.
Mine is too. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna call that one there. I did a lot of work on the menu stuff, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So thank you, Evan and Maggie, for coming out to watch. Greatly appreciate that, and Cody for watching. And then
Let's say, what the fuck do you mean?
well, as I said, thank you for watching, and then promptly hijacking my stream.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
I would say anytime, but not anytime.
Oh, no more Trey. I know. I gotta get off for the night though. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this. That's gonna be it for this tonight. I'm gonna do more tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna work on yet. I'll figure it out tomorrow. Maybe pick up a new project for a bit. Switch off of this one. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Bye.
I'm a good pretender. Won't you come see my show? I got lots of problems. Well, good thing nobody knows. Oh, I'm insecure. I think I like what I'm supposed to. Like what I'm supposed to. I don't even mess with drugs. I do that 'cause you say it's dope too. You say it's dope too. I'm a good pretender. I'm not really cool. I'm a good pretender. 'Cause I'm just like you. I do not belong here. You all clearly do. But I'm a good pretender. So I'm just like I'm a good pretender. I'm a good pretender. I'm a good pretender. All emotions in sync. Don't you think I'm clever? We laugh at all the same things. Oh, I'm insecure. I think I like what I'm supposed to. Like what I'm supposed to. I don't even mess with drugs. I do that 'cause you say it's dope too. You say it's dope too. I'm a good pretender. I'm not really cool. I'm a good pretender. 'Cause I'm just like you. I do not belong here. You all clearly do. But I'm a good pretender. So I'm just like I'm a good pretender. I'm a good pretender. I'm just like you.